Well, we got an almost empty trailer. Got a little bit of aluminum left from yesterday and an air conditioner found this morning. So let's go see if we can find anything else. What do we have here? That's a little bit of wood. Well, we're gonna get this in the trailer. Might as well take the broom since we're here. It's in the donation box. Nothing we want. On to the next stop. It's time for the chainsaw massacre. Let's see what's next. We're on the side of a busy road, but we found a barbecue, so we just tossed it in quickly and we're gonna keep on going. And just a little bit of metal. We'll take it. It's got some alright weight to it for a little guy. It's in there. Just a couple wee little bird feeders. A little bit of plastic, a little bit of metal. We'll take them. Is this metal? Oh my goodness, it is. All right. These are nice. Let's load them in the truck. A nice person flagged us down and gave my brother a lawnmower. And by the beckoning motion, I assume he wants me to help him lift it in. Yes. So I'll be right back. Ooh, nice little fire pit with nice little fake logs that we really don't need, but I guess we'll just take it all for now. All right, we got it all in there, a little bit of rearranging. Let's see what's next. What is this? Oh, it's nice and heavy. All right, one-handed. It's in there. So whatever this thing was, turns out this is all nice heavy aluminum. So that's probably going to be worth taking apart. We just got flagged over by a gentleman who's gonna give us a barbecue. So my brother's in this guy's backyard with him, helping him wheel out the barbecue. So I'm just waiting for them to come out. I can hear it coming. Thank you.
Yeah, well, I'm just saying that they've got a free drop-off out front, even if you don't want to go through the scales and get paid for it.
Yeah.
Just to get rid of your tires or anything metal, you can just drop it out front of that place.
Got that loaded up. It's helped our load a little better. Let's see if we can find anything else before we're done. Well, I guess I'm coming back for those. Around to the other side. We go back and pick up our aluminum downspouts. Right, for the cars to go by so we don't become a flat little road spot. Toss this in. And with that, I think we are done for tonight. So we'll have to see in the morning what we get for this. So that was pretty much all we found for today's load, but all I got for my little secret stash of copper today is two nice little 40% insulated copper wires, which is not very much for a whole scrapping run, but hey, take what you can get. I found this nice, thick, heavy little piece of copper. That went straight into my pocket. Shh, don't tell my brother. All right, let's see what our totals were. So it turned out that we had 560 pounds of tin shred at $320 per ton, or 16 cents per pound, for a grand total of $89.60. Catch you in the next one.